Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your country on Shopify. There's like a new update, a new dashboard on Shopify, so it may look different for you. So first of all, you want to go to settings right there at the bottom left corner. Now after that, you will see here a lot of options to choose from, so you want to click on locations right here. Now on locations, you will see your default location, and you can actually add a location. And then when you add your new location, you can change your location right here by selecting another one. And that's how you change your locations of your store. So that's that. You can also go to markets actually, and you can add a market here, which will be shown on your Shopify store, and people can change the store location, the market, I mean. So that's that, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.